the least common multiple of a number and 990 is 6930. So let me take that number as x and the other number as 990, and you are saying that the LCM of the numbers is 6930. Now if I look at the LCM of the number 6930, I need to ensure that 6930 is divisible by x also and 990 as well. So now let me divide 6930 by 990. The entire number goes into this, and you will realize that this has to get cancelled. So 11 nines are 99, 11 6 are 66 and 33. So 11 3s are 33 and 9 7s are 63. That means there is a 7 extra in your LCM of 6930. That means this 7 has to come from the number x. So the number x must contain a 7 in it for sure. That's one thing that we are absolutely certain about. Clear? Now the greatest common divisor, which is the highest common factor of that number, once again you are looking at the highest common factor of the number x and 550 is equals to 110. That means this 110 must divide 550 also and must divide the value x also. So x must be divisible by 110. That means x must be a multiple of 110, and 110, if you break it in the prime number format, it's going to be 11 into 2 into 5, which is not present at the moment inside x, because we decided that x will have a 7. That's all at the moment, right? So x will now also contain what? Because of the highest common factor being 110, it must contain 110 also in it, and hence the number turns out to be 7 into 11 into 2 into 5 for short. So the number x will be 7 into 11 into 2 into 5 for short. Now what is the sum of the digits of the least possible value of that number? In fact, this happens to be the least possible value of the number. You can't remove anything out of this. If you include anything more in this, that will become a number which is not the least number. So effectively, let's calculate this number. This turns out to be 77 into 10, which turns out to be 770. And they are looking at what is the sum of the digits. The sum of the digits will be 7 plus 7 plus 0. That makes it 14. So option D, 14 is the correct answer. Now, having gotten down to the answer, let's see what are the other possibilities of the number for the value of x. So the value of x can contain 7 into 11 into 2 into 5. This is the number and multiplied by the value k. Now this k can take some of the numbers. We need to understand what are those numbers, because it is not necessary that they ask you the smallest possible number. They could have asked you the highest possible number also, and all of that. For that, what you need to understand is you need to look at 990 also. Let's break 990. It will turn out to be 11 into a 3 square into a 10, which will be 2 into 5, right? And what is a 550? 550 would be 11 into 5 into 11 into 5, which is 55 into 5 into 2, right? Now understand this thing, that the highest common factor should not change, and the lowest common multiple, least common multiple, should also not change. You have to design your value of k in such a way. Now if I look at the lowest common multiple with a 990, this 6930 contains a 990. So if k takes any value to bring it up to 990, there is absolutely no problem with that, right? Now, or 990 or a multiple of 990. So if you look at, compare this with 990, you will realize 11 is already there, 2 is already there, 5 is already there, and a 7 is there. K can take the value 3 power 0, which it already has, for which it is the lowest number, then 3 power 1, then a 3 power 2. Because if you make it a 3 power 3, then your LCM will change, and it will not be 6930, it will be 6930 into 3 and any other number. So these are the numbers, but we also have to check for this, that this should not change the highest common factor also. So I'm not picking up any common factor with the number 550 anymore, because it already has got 110 in it. If I pick up one more common factor, let's say I pick up another 5 over here, then the problem is that the highest common factor will not remain 110, it will become 550 in that case, right? So there are only 3 numbers possible, 3 values possible, which is k taking the value 1, 3 or 9. That's all, right? So this will give you the lowest and the highest and the middle number. So all 3 numbers are here for you.